So today we're going to be doing a carbon fiber rear diffuser and spoiler. Yeah, we're going to be doing a carbon fiber rear diffuser and spoiler on the car. Now this, as you can see, it looks pretty dead in my opinion. So yeah, we're going to literally just unbox it now. A couple of things that we got for it. Do you want to do the honours?
Okay. Right.
Please don't drop it. Imagine if you dropped it.
Roughly about there, is that right? Give or take.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So if you guys that have been following me from the start, you will recognise this rear diffuser because it's the same one that I had on my old one.
Which way does it go? Hang on.
What are you doing?
That way.
Swinging it about, jeez. So I'm going to need to drill holes in the bottom of here, a couple of bolts literally just to undo on here. So we'll be able to remove this and then we'll side around. But I think what we're going to do first of all is we're probably going to put the spoiler on first. Nice. You look good in there.
Do I?
My diffuser and stuff like that. She's not too bad, is she? She's not too bad. Putting her in the thumbnail every time I can. There's a gap here on the underside, which is annoying. Right, so basically the main things that we need to do here is this bit here. It's literally just to set up an angle. Both sides. Like this. So obviously when it comes actually to placing it down, as long as we line up the angles, it should be the right distance and it also should be the right orientation and everything like that. Okay, do me a favour now. I need you to stick it. What?
There's a wasp in my hair.
Where?
It was just flew in my hair and flew out.
What? No, it didn't.
Dude, I just heard it buzzing in my ear.
What the hell was that?
Babe, that was
Oh my god, oh my god, please help me.
That was a wasp.
No, no. Guys, I think we're there. Phase 1 complete, rear spoiler done, rear diffuser about to go on. Nice. Shall I just run it like that? You know what, that actually looks pretty sick. What do you reckon?
Nah.
Yeah, that looks sick.
Sick?
Yeah? What do you think? Do you agree?
No.
Oh nah, I rate that look.
You rate it? Oh, should we just strip the whole car off then and run it like it's got nothing on it?
Yeah. because obviously it doesn't come with the drills, like it doesn't come with the holes already in the rear diffuser, so you've literally got to try and do it all by yourself and try and line it all up. Now, we did the thing where you get the masking tape and you kind of layer it down, draw where the holes are, and then transfer that masking tape onto the new one so you know where the holes are. However, this rear diffuser isn't exactly the same shape, so I could literally lay and do that. It'll be a good estimate, but it's not going to be bang on. So it's going to be literally just a case of just scrapping an idea, trial and error, and just drilling a little bit, like pulling it away, drawing a little marker of where you think it should be, and just literally just try and do it by eye. We've done like this bit here and the other bit there, so we've done the 2 outer screws. So now we're just going to try and find the other for the 5. Just enough. Lovely. Right, next one is. Alright, well, we've done them all by one boost.
Nice.
Oh.
Good.
There you go, guys. Carbon fibre, spoiler, rear diffuser, all done.
I'm teasing me.
Oh, that looks so much better. So much more aggressive. Next video, I'm actually not sure what the next video is going to be, but I guess you'll see soon enough. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video and this has helped you in some way, or you just enjoyed the video, just drop a like on it, drop a comment on it, and help me get boosted into YouTube algorithm.